Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to register a hotel in booking.com. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now step 1 is just make sure that you are logged in with your account and just click on this option, my account. And once you click on this option, you can see this option as well, list your property. Otherwise you can just scroll down and at the end of this section, manage your property, and inside this section you can see an option called list your property. So you can click from whatever option you are easy to find. So just click on list your property option, and once you click on that, it will take a few seconds and redirect you to this page, which is basically register for free. As you can read, these are some of the benefits. So just click on get started now, and once you click on get started now, wait until it completely loads, and it will basically take you to this page, create your partner account. So just click on email address. So make sure to enter the email address. Just enter the email address, enter the password, or you can just create a new password and new Gmail as well, and make sure to create an account. And once you create an account, so as you can see, I'm able to see an option like new property. So you will basically at this page redirected to this page, list your property on booking.com and start welcoming guests in no time. So once you complete the email and password steps, so you will see this page. So from this section, you can list your property, whatever property you have. Either you have an apartment, either you have homes or hotels. So let's say that I have an apartment. So just click on apartments, click on continue, and one apartment where guests can book. So just click on continue, and you can just list, if your property is listed on Airbnb, you can speed up registration. So let's say I just click on it, and you can just paste the link of Airbnb if you do not have it. Otherwise, my property isn't listed on the website, just click on continue. And once you click on continue, so it will basically ask you all the information like what's the name of your place, property name. So you can write down the name, demo property. You can just click on continue, and this will basically street address. You can enter the address of your property as well, and all the details like floor, country, city, zip code, and you can just fill in all the information that is being required or that is being asked by them. So let's say I enter the city as well and click on continue. And as you can see, connect a channel manager. No, I won't be using a channel manager. If you want to connect it, just click on yes. Otherwise, just continue it on no. And you can just select the bedroom and living rooms as well. If you want to add sofa bed, you can just save all the informations, how many guests can stay. So you can select it, how many bathrooms, like do you allow children. You can just add all the details and click on continue. And at the end, you just need to add photos. As you can see, let me just go to this section. As you can see, like, make sure to upload the proper photos of your property, and pricing and calendar, which is basically like how much do you want to add the price. And this is basically the legal information. I'm an individual running a business, I represent a business entity. So select whatever best option is for you and just click on continue, and after that it will be listed into the booking.com. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add your property or a hotel in the booking.com. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.